Beautiful Sunday day, nice and sunny. Our apple trees are in full blossom. Weeping willow is beautiful. Alan spent the day yesterday, him and Isaac, mowing the lawns. All the trees are coming in beautifully. It's just a very pretty Sunday. Sun's shining. Had good church today. The tree back there is all in full bloom. And just a beautiful day. The verse says, "This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." Looks so nice with all the lawn mowed. There's another tree right there, full bloom. That tree there in full bloom. These ones are transparent, which we're excited about. Just gotta remember to catch them in time. Molly's down there barking at something. Hard to say. She barks at just about anything going. But anyway, just a little view of how beautiful this day is. Thankful for it. One of those weeping willow trees gives me a lot of memories of my aunt's tree. It was just outside of her farmhouse when I was young, my Aunt Annette. I always loved it, and now I have two. One there, and a small one there. It's kind of in rough shape, but this one here is beautiful. Just looking at the small things, thankful for all the apples that are going to grow and how beautiful it looks. Just feeling blessed. Have a great day. God bless.